Hi, my name is Dylan. I'm an active installer in Southern California. I recently joined BLUETTI's ESS Installer Partnership Program and have successfully installed 7 sets of our ESS systems after a quick and convenient training that was given to me by BLUETTI. This is the BLUETTI EP800 I recently installed. It's a system that combines solar generation, inverter, and batteries all in one system that provides unparalleled reliability and efficiency. Having these devices is wonderful to have for backup power and for regular home usage. It's very simple to install. Basically just connect it to your main panel, then to a sub panel, and then back to the device to help power your loads. I've installed several recently. It takes about a half a day to install. Considering the growing energy market and the essential need for electricity, BLUETTI's products have been proven and designed to help with these power product problems and essential needs. As an installer, here at BLUETTI, it kind of cuts out the intermediaries between different laborers and BLUETTI itself. Once you place the order for the device, I can go ahead and go straight to the warehouse and pick it up and deliver it straight to your doorstep. Or we can have it relied on BLUETTI's logistics company and their quick and fast shipping to be able to get it straight to your doorstep, so I can come to your residence, install it, and we can be done. Platinum level installers here at BLUETTI will allow you to have access to marketing and support needs from BLUETTI. Taking advantage of this will allow you to increase exposure in the market, create more sales for yourself, and even give yourself more work to do to be able to keep yourself busy. Unlike other brands requiring prolonged commissioning, BLUETTI's integrated design offers unparalleled convenience. It also offers easy installation as well as simplicity with troubleshooting. With BLUETTI's fleet management software, we can identify issues quickly and also provide you with BLUETTI 24/7 technical support for these devices. Aurora Design is also available at BLUETTI. Installers will be able to learn how to design and how to understand the customer's needs to be able to help them out with the product they need. In collaboration with Mosaic, BLUETTI is also offering financial solutions to help with customers who don't have that financial stability or that large of a budget to be able to put one of these systems in their home and even have it help them out at all. With energy costs soaring, BLUETTI's ESS is the ideal solution for any homeowner who has solar panels on their roof and is looking to maximize their solar power. It also helps you stray away from the power from the grid that you're using and helping you save money with your electricity bill. In fact, having the BLUETTI ESS is not only financially beneficial, it's also environmentally friendly as well.